Welcome to this week's edition of Obesity Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Fractyl is advancing a potential game-changer in obesity treatment. Its Rejuva Smart GLP-1 gene therapy demonstrated a 20% reduction in weight gain and a 38% drop in glucose levels in mice on a high-fat diet. Delivered as a single, nutrient-sensitive dose targeting the pancreas, the therapy showed no signs of toxicity. Human trials are slated to begin in 2026. Verdiva has unveiled a once-weekly oral obesity drug pipeline. VRB-101 achieved therapeutic GLP-1 levels in Phase 1, comparable to injectable therapies. Meanwhile, VRB-103 showed significant weight loss in preclinical studies. The company is working toward a single weekly tablet combining both GLP-1 and amylin-based therapies. Viking Therapeutics has launched 2 large Phase 3 trials for its dual GLP-1 and GIP agonist VK2735. The injectable formulation aims for up to 14.7 weight loss over 78 weeks. Oral and monthly dose versions are currently in development, pointing to an expansive life cycle strategy. Protagonist Therapeutics is set to reveal a new oral obesity compound during a webcast on June 30. The presentation will include in vitro and preclinical proof-of-concept data for a novel therapy candidate. Novo has officially ended its partnership with Hims, citing concerns over illegal compounding of Wegovy. The pharma giant argues that FDA shortages no longer justify such practices and has cut Hims off from Novo. Hims disputes the claims, but the news triggered a stock drop of approximately 33%. Silo Pharma and Hoth Therapeutics have formed a joint venture to develop a biologic obesity treatment based on glial cell line-derived neurotrophic factor. The therapy targets both central obesity and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Preclinical development will be guided by technologies licensed from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs and Emory University. In China, Innovent's Mazdutide has become the first approved dual GLP-1 and glucagon receptor agonist. Clinical trials showed up to 14.8 weight loss and 80% liver fat reduction. The approval supports the country's Healthy 2030 initiative, underscoring its commitment to metabolic health innovation. Meanwhile, India-based Biocon is stepping away from plans to launch semaglutide generics in China. The decision was driven by high trial costs and regulatory complexity. Biocon will now refocus on more accessible international markets. Finally, a new analysis raised concerns about long-term adherence to GLP-1 obesity medications. While 63% of patients remain on therapy after 1 year, only 14% persist by year 3. That translates to just 1 in 12 patients staying on treatment long-term, highlighting the urgent need for improved support and retention strategies. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.